The Anti-Gravity Water Drop Humidifier is a portable device that utilizes black technology to create an anti-gravity phenomenon. It features a crystal water droplet that slowly moves up, down, and pauses, creating a stunning visual effect. The humidifier can relieve environmental dryness and moisten the air, making it easier to breathe. It also has safety protection features such as intelligent anti-dry burning, automatic shutdown when the water level is too low, and 2-gear adjustment. Open the water bead humidifier, turn off the water bead only humidifier. The device has a water refilling mode, direct water refilling, turn on and add water, and an open water tank that can be cleaned inside to eliminate the breeding of bacteria. The body of the humidifier is made of ABS environmentally friendly materials that are safe and durable. It has a Type-C interface, which is an international common standard, and a key indicator light that provides intimate tips. The ambient light is soft natural white light, which can be used to illuminate the room at night. The Anti-Gravity Water Drop Humidifier has 3 modes: continuous fall, intermittent fall, and auto shut-off, which can be adjusted according to your preferences. It is made of ABS and silicone, making it more durable and safe. The humidifier has a water shortage power-off protection feature and a 580 milliliters water tank. It is powered by USB and has a power of 10 W. The device has a noise level of less than 36 dB, making it very quiet.